Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the ETPC Severe Weather Outlook YouTube channel. And this is episode number 9 of Severe Weather Outlook, and let's get started here. Today's date it is June the 9th. It is currently June the 9th, 2026. It is currently 10:31 in the morning, Allie. And today we have the day 1 silver outlook for Kansas and the United States. So let's go ahead and get down to business here, shall we? Okay, so it looks like there has been a couple of changes to the outlook here. I'm gonna throw out mall right here in this area. We have a level 1 out of 5 all the way down to Tennessee and all the way up to Minnesota, Iowa, and Portland, Wisconsin, as well as parts of Kansas. And then we have a level 2 level 3 out of 5 expanding all the way from a little bit of southwest Kansas all the way down to the Oklahoma Panhandle and parts of Texas, and then the level 2 severe weather. And then we have a level 3 out of 5 all the way up to Nebraska and all the way up to the North Dakota and part of Wisconsin. And what we're going to be able to see the threat for severe weather. So that Ollie. As you can see here on the tornado graphic, we have 10%, 5%, and 2%, and of course a CIG1, and these are all the areas that are in the levels. So. Next up, we have the damaging wind graphic. We have a CIG1, a 45%, a 30%, a 15%, and then a 5% for all of the areas that are happening in today's severe weather outlook, right? And then finally we have the large hail graphic map, Allie, and as you can see again we have a CIG1 again, 30%, a 15%, and then finally a 5% chance for the hail threat and everything else, Allie. And then finally, here is everything that talked about the threat for severe weather today. If you want to read all of this, feel free to pause the video at any time, Allie, so you can read it yourself and everything else. So again, feel free to pause the video at any time if you like to read, Allie. Alright, everyone, well, that is gonna do it here for this edition of Severe Weather Outlook. I will be back later this afternoon, Allie, maybe around noon or maybe about 1 o'clock-ish, Allie, to do episode 10 of Severe Weather Outlook. I cannot believe, Allie, we're about to do the 10th episode, Allie, of of severe weather outlook. I cannot believe it, Ollie. And that coming up in the day 2 outlook. So I will see you real soon. I will see you soon for the day 2 severe weather outlook. See you all later. Bye bye.